Hello everyone, it's Luna from Perfect Homes, and today I'll be showing you this condo in Supanich Condo, which is right next to the train station. The total space is 88 square meters, 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Come on in. So once we walk into the room, this is the kitchen area, which is connected to the living area. It is quite spacious. As you can see, there are couches. Right here is the kitchen with black marble, so beautiful. You have the stove, the oven, induction fan, sink, microwave, and this area is the dining area. Now let me show you the bathroom. Wow, the bathroom is beautiful. It has the shower area right here, as you can see. And then this is beautiful bathtub, really beautiful. Now let me show you the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom. Once you walk in, you have this big bed. This is an empty space here where you can add more furniture if you like. Over there's the closet, and here is the balcony. You could put table or chairs outside. Let's go check out the next bedroom. This is the second bedroom. You have the working table here and this big bed, decorations, lovely. Also big window, really nice. And we're done for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested or if you would like to get more information about this condo, please leave us a comment or click at the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!